There's a certain magic when a vibrant historic city meets the gentle rhythm of the sea. In Barcelona, this blend creates one of the world's most iconic urban coastlines. While Gaudi's architecture and Las Ramblas are famous, the beaches are the soul of Barcelona's summer life. Here, culture, history, and relaxation converge, offering a unique escape right at the city's edge. Once an industrial waterfront, the coastline was transformed for the 1992 Olympics, turning forgotten shores into golden playgrounds. This renewal is a testament to Barcelona's spirit, constantly reinventing itself while honoring its past. So let's explore this incredible stretch of the Mediterranean together. We'll discover its promenades, personalities, and why it's beloved by locals and visitors alike. Whether you want to relax, get active, or savor a meal by the sea, Barcelona's beaches are the perfect setting. Barcelona's beaches aren't just a scenic addition. They're intricately woven into the very fabric of the city, an essential part of its identity. They represent a unique blend of urban energy and coastal relaxation. The beaches offer a refreshing escape without ever truly leaving the vibrant atmosphere of Barcelona behind. Stretching for nearly 3 miles along the sun-kissed Mediterranean coastline, these beaches provide ample space for everyone to enjoy the sea. From Barceloneta to Bogatell, each beach offers a slightly different vibe, catering to a wide range of preferences and activities. The sheer length of the coastline ensures that even on the busiest days, you can usually find a spot to unwind and soak up the Mediterranean sun. This incredible proximity means you're always just a leisurely walk away from the soothing sounds and refreshing breezes of the Mediterranean. Imagine stepping out of a bustling city street and within minutes, feeling the sand between your toes. Whether you prefer a quick bike ride along the dedicated paths or a convenient metro stop that drops you right near the shore, accessing the water is incredibly easy. The city's efficient transportation system makes the beach readily available to both locals and tourists alike, ensuring that everyone can enjoy this coastal paradise. This is a rare luxury, especially considering Barcelona's status as a major international city. In many other metropolises, a trip to the beach requires a significant journey, but in Barcelona, it's an effortless part of daily life. The beautiful palm-lined Passeig Maritime promenade gracefully connects the entire coastline, creating a seamless pathway for exploration and enjoyment. This vibrant walkway is more than just a means of getting from one beach to another. It's a destination in itself, offering stunning views and a lively atmosphere. It's constantly bustling with joggers, taking advantage of the scenic route for their daily exercise. The fresh sea air and inspiring views make it the perfect place to stay active. You'll also find cyclists cruising along, families enjoying leisurely strolls, and friends simply soaking up the atmosphere. The promenade is a hub of activity, a place where people come together to enjoy the beauty of Barcelona's coastline. Each section of the beach possesses its own distinct character and unique appeal, offering something for everyone. Whether you're seeking a lively atmosphere with beach bars and water sports, or a more tranquil spot for relaxation and sunbathing, you'll find it here. This makes it incredibly easy to discover a new favorite spot every day, depending on your mood and preferences. Explore the different beaches, try out new activities, and immerse yourself in the diverse coastal culture that Barcelona has to offer. The journey itself, from the heart of the city to the sandy shores, is an integral part of the Barcelona experience, a mini adventure in its own right. Begin your exploration in the historic Barceloneta neighborhood, a charming district with narrow streets and traditional buildings that exude character. Then, wander northeast, past the impressive Olympic port, a reminder of Barcelona's hosting of the 1992 Olympic Games. The port is now a vibrant hub with restaurants, bars, and shops. Observe how the city's structured urban grid gracefully and seamlessly gives way to the natural, organic curve of the shoreline, a visual representation of the harmonious relationship between the urban environment and the Mediterranean Sea. As you physically approach the water's edge, you'll notice the air becoming noticeably fresher and cleaner, carrying the invigorating scent of the sea. The sky seems to open up, expanding your perspective, and the sounds of the city gradually fade into the gentle rhythm of the waves and the joyful laughter of people enjoying the beach. This seamless transition perfectly captures Barcelona's unique dual identity, a city that effortlessly blends its urban sophistication with its coastal charm. Barcelona is a city deeply rooted in its rich history and cultural heritage, yet it's also a city that constantly embraces the endless possibilities offered by its proximity to the sea. This creates a dynamic and inspiring atmosphere. It's a city where the beach is never treated as just a mere afterthought or a separate entity. Instead, the beach is an integral part of the city's very essence, pulsating at the heart of daily life, a place where locals and visitors alike come to relax, play, and connect with the Mediterranean. Barcelona Beach isn't just one stretch of sand, it's an entire coastal experience waiting to unfold. Think of it as a vibrant tapestry woven with different textures, sounds, and personalities. Each section offers something unique, ensuring there's a perfect spot for every beach lover. It's a collection of unique beaches, each with its own vibe, its own character, and its own story to tell. From bustling promenades to tranquil shores, the beaches of Barcelona offer a diverse range of experiences. Barceloneta Beach, closest to the city center, is where the action is. It is the classic, energetic seaside experience, a place where the city's pulse meets the rhythm of the waves. Here you'll find a vibrant mix of locals and tourists all soaking up the sun and enjoying the lively atmosphere. Head northeast and you'll find Nova Icaria, a haven for families and those seeking a more relaxed atmosphere. It is a calmer, family-friendly spot with excellent accessibility, making it easy for everyone to enjoy a day by the sea. The gentle waves and soft sands create a perfect environment for building sandcastles and splashing in the water. Bogatell Beach offers more space and a tranquil atmosphere, a welcome escape from the city's hustle and bustle. It is popular for volleyball and long swims, attracting sports enthusiasts and those who simply want to unwind by the sea. The wide open space allows for a sense of freedom and relaxation. Each beach was shaped by the Olympic redevelopment, a transformative project that revitalized Barcelona's coastline. It was designed for comfort and quality, ensuring that visitors have access to top-notch facilities and amenities. From clean restrooms to convenient beach bars, everything is in place to enhance your beach experience. For a more liberated scene, Marbella Beach beckons with its unique and open-minded atmosphere. It features a designated nudist area, offering a space for those who prefer to embrace the natural freedom of the beach. It also has a youthful, international crowd, creating a vibrant and inclusive environment. Here, you'll find people from all walks of life, united by their love of the sun, sea, and sand. Water sports like windsurfing and kayaking are popular here, adding to the beach's dynamic energy. From lively Barceloneta to peaceful Bogatell, the beaches of Barcelona cater to a wide range of preferences. And free-spirited Marbella, there's a beach to match every mood and desire. There's a beach for every mood, whether you're seeking excitement, relaxation, or a sense of liberation. The variety means you can match your beach day to your energy, ensuring a perfect experience every time, without ever leaving the city. It's an incredible convenience, allowing you to seamlessly transition from urban exploration to seaside relaxation. Barcelona's coastline is a mosaic of experiences, a vibrant tapestry woven with sun, sand, and sea. It is waiting to be explored, offering endless opportunities for discovery and adventure. It's the ultimate urban beach adventure, a chance to experience the best of both worlds, the energy of the city and the tranquility of the sea. To feel Barcelona's pulse, start at Barceloneta Beach, the city's vibrant beating heart. Its golden sand and blue waters are framed by the iconic palm-lined Passeig Maritime. The atmosphere is electric, laughter, music, and the gentle crash of waves fill the air. Street performers, sand sculptors, and vendors add to the sensory feast. For solo travelers, the buzz is welcoming. You're instantly part of the city's celebration. Yet beyond the crowds, Barceloneta is a place of connection, where daily life unfolds by the sea. Friends play volleyball, families picnic, and locals stroll along the water's edge. Just steps away, the Barceloneta neighborhood offers authentic tapas bars and seafood restaurants. It's this blend of beach relaxation and urban culture that makes Barceloneta unmissable. Here, the city and sea truly become one. It's the quintessential Barcelona experience. Barcelona's beaches are designed for comfort, safety, and accessibility. Lifeguard towers and a clear flag system ensure safe swimming, while nightly cleaning keeps the sand pristine. Public restrooms and freshwater showers line the promenade, making it easy to rinse off before heading back to the city. Sunbeds and umbrellas are available for rent, so you can travel light and lounge in comfort. Accessibility is a priority. Wooden walkways and assisted bathing services make the sea welcoming for everyone. Nova Icaria and Barceloneta are especially equipped for visitors with reduced mobility. These thoughtful amenities remove stress and let you focus on enjoying your day. Whether you're solo or with friends, Everything you need is right at your fingertips. It's all about making your beach day effortless and inclusive. Barcelona's beaches are a dynamic playground for every mood and energy level. Sunbathing and swimming are timeless pleasures, with calm Mediterranean waters perfect for a refreshing dip. Volleyball nets invite friendly games, while the wide Passeig Maritime is ideal for jogging or cycling. Bike rentals make it easy to explore the entire coastline and enjoy stunning sea views. Outdoor gym areas let you work out with the sea as your backdrop. For adventure seekers, try paddleboarding, windsurfing, or kayaking. Rental shops and schools are everywhere. Paddleboarding is especially popular for solo travelers, offering a peaceful way to see the city from the water. Whether you want to relax, get fit, or try something new, the beach has you covered. The variety of activities means every day can be different. Barcelona's coast is where you set your own pace. As the sun sets, Barcelona's beaches come alive with a festive social energy. Chiringuitos, beach bars right on the sand, are essential for a true Barcelona experience. Grab a cold drink, enjoy tapas, and watch the sky change colors over the Mediterranean. Many Chiringuitos feature DJs and live music, creating the perfect sunset soundtrack. The promenade becomes a stage for street performers, musicians, and artists, adding surprise and delight to your evening stroll. Art and culture are everywhere, not just in museums. The atmosphere is inclusive and welcoming, perfect for solo travelers to mingle or simply soak it all in. It's easy to strike up a conversation or just enjoy the moment on your own. The beach transforms into a community celebration every night. Ending your day here feels both luxurious and effortless. No visit to Barcelona's beautiful coast is truly complete without savoring the incredible fresh seafood it has to offer. The vibrant Barceloneta neighborhood and the bustling Port Olímpic are true havens, offering a wide array of fresh local cuisine. Traditional tapas bars in these areas serve up beloved classics like flavorful seafood paella, rich arroz negro, and perfectly fried fish. Look for the spots that are always bustling with happy locals. Port Olímpic also offers sleek, modern restaurants, many with stunning views of the harbor, making them perfect for a leisurely meal as the harbor lights gently twinkle. Meanwhile, Chiringuitos right on the sand serve freshly grilled sardines, crispy calamari, and refreshing salads for a truly casual and relaxed bite. Whether you ultimately choose a historic bar, a chic portside spot, or even a rustic beachside shack, dining by the beautiful sea is absolutely essential. It's truly a feast for all of the senses, being delicious, scenic, and deeply connected to the vibrant local culture. Every single meal here is a true celebration of the Mediterranean way of life. For solo travelers, Barcelona's beaches offer the perfect blend of activity and freedom. The environment is safe, welcoming, and never isolating. You're surrounded by people, yet free to do your own thing. Follow your own rhythm. Sunbathe, swim, stroll, bike, or paddleboard as you please. Eat a quick sandwich on the sand or indulge in a long seafood lunch with a view. The open, friendly vibe makes it easy to feel comfortable in your own company. Listen to a podcast or just enjoy the sounds of the sea. The variety of activities lets you be as social or solitary as you wish. Join a volleyball game, chat at a Chiringuito, or find a quiet spot up the coast. Barcelona's beaches respect your independence while offering endless opportunities for connection. It's a sanctuary for solo adventurers. Barcelona's beaches are more than just a picturesque backdrop. They're not simply a place to swim and soak up the sun. They're a vibrant, living, breathing part of the city's very identity, woven into the fabric of daily life. They represent a space where locals and tourists alike converge, sharing moments of joy and relaxation against the stunning Mediterranean backdrop. Here, history whispers from the ancient stones of the nearby Gothic quarter, modern design flourishes in the beachfront architecture, and a laid-back, effortlessly cool culture thrives, all meeting under the warm embrace of the Mediterranean sun. It's a unique blend that defines the Barcelona beach experience. Embrace the feeling of freedom. Take a leisurely stroll along the bustling promenade, feeling the sea breeze on your skin and soaking in the lively atmosphere. Watch as locals and tourists alike mingle, creating a vibrant tapestry of cultures and experiences. Find a quiet spot and lose yourself in a book by the sea, or, for the more adventurous, try your hand at paddleboarding and glide across the shimmering waters. The possibilities for recreation and relaxation are endless. Take your time to discover your favorite Chiringuito, one of the charming beachside bars and restaurants that dot the coastline. Savor the taste of the Mediterranean with fresh seafood, prepared with local flavors and served with a smile. Let the culinary delights enhance your beach experience, or simply relax, unwind, and embrace the art of doing absolutely nothing, letting the sun kiss your skin and the gentle sound of the waves soothe your soul. Take full advantage of the excellent amenities available, from convenient showers and changing rooms to readily available beach umbrellas and sunbeds. And let the easy, unhurried rhythm of beach life gently wash over you, melting away stress and leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. In Barcelona, you have the unique opportunity to explore a world-class museum filled with art and history in the morning, and then, just a short while later, find yourself floating effortlessly in the cool, inviting waters of the Mediterranean Sea by afternoon. The beaches are not just an added bonus, they are an essential and integral part of the city's overall promise. A place where the vibrant energy of urban excitement seamlessly meets the tranquil serenity of the seaside. Be sure to make ample time for the shore. It's not just a simple add-on to your itinerary, but a true highlight and an unforgettable experience that will enrich your entire trip. Seek out and discover your own perfect spot, your personal sanctuary by the sea, where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with yourself. Barcelona's beautiful beaches are eagerly waiting to welcome you with open arms. So come, immerse yourself in the Mediterranean spirit, and make these stunning shores your very own.